healthcare, boys, and we find out, at least according to one study now of the Obamacare, there will be the haves and the have-nots. Actually, they'll just be the have-nots, apparently. PricewaterhouseCoopers says that this healthcare plan is going to cost you and me, those that already have healthcare, a whole lot more money, $4,000 in 10 years more, Cosmo. Is this bad news for Obama, or is this just industry insiders, healthcare lobbies putting this thing out?
I don't think anyone incredibly felt that this was going to be a way in the long term to save money. Look, the public option's out of there because Obama knows the politics of it and says, I can't make it work with that public option. Here's what the key issue is probably going to be. Comparative effectiveness research, essentially setting up a nonprofit group with $1.3 billion to determine which treatments work best, which treatments don't. It makes sense to have that information for patients. Here's where the Republicans are going to really make a debate. Is this the beginning of rationing drugs, deciding who doesn't get care based on research set up by some government agency?
Well, we found out over the weekend in the Globe story about Massachusetts, Peter. Those of us that have health care in Massachusetts may have our options limited, and we may not get to go to the doctors of our choice in the next couple of years.
Yeah, look, this whole health care bill move is a fiasco. And I don't blame Obama for it. It's a big issue. There are powerful forces at work here. Let's go back to your number about...
Quickly.
Look, $4,000 over 10 years, or without it, how much more will it cost us?
Do either of you doubt for a second that Barack should win the Nobel Prize for Medicine as a result of his work here?
I think it's on the table at this point. I do blame Obama. I mean, healthcare, I've said it before, it's the new Social Security, and you should have recognized that. It's like the third rail. If you're going to touch it, you better be ready to get a jolt.
Out of time. Peter Cadges of the Phoenix, Cosmo Macero Jr. Associates. Quick weather forecast, Cosmo?
I don't think the heavy stuff's coming down for a while.